Hey everybody, this is Mabel Ruiz, one of the peer mentors from Pathways to Possible, and today we will be talking about how to set up appointments with your advisor. So the objective of this video is to show you how to set up an appointment with your advisor via the Navigate Student app. The first step to set up an appointment with your advisor is to download the Navigate Student app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store, and it is a blue icon with a little white building icon in the middle. You will then look up the school's name, Metropolitan State University of Denver, and sign in with your student email and password. You will then be brought to the main page of the Navigate Student app. You will have a list under Explore. You will click on the one that says Appointments. It is a purple icon with a person icon in the middle. At the top of your screen, you will see an option for My Team. Click on that. You will then see below your advisor's name under Meet with Your Success Team and make sure to click on their name. Then you will be asked to answer some questions to get the correct appointment information for your advisor. In this example, we will schedule an academic advising appointment because we want to declare or change a minor. Then I will choose a date and hit Find Available Times. Let's say that we would like to minor in English. We will click that option to see the times to schedule an appointment with the advisor. You will then see dates and times available to set up an appointment with your advisor. Select the time and date that works best for you. You will then review your appointment details and confirm your appointment. You will select how you would like to meet your advisor, either in person or virtual, and then make sure to check the boxes for email and text reminders for your appointment. Then click Schedule. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps.